Hello everyone, you are welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Today I'm so happy to have you all here. Thank you so much to you, my friends out there. Thank you for your support. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on your notifications as well, and like the video. Thank you so much. Guys, we are making peppered chicken wings. You can make it peppered fish or peppered beef, but this recipe is all you need to perfect your fish, your chicken, or your beef. So guys, you can see my air fryer chicken wings that I'll be using today. If you want to see how I prepare this, check the description box. You find a link there. Check the comment section. The link is also pinned there. Check the link above there. You will also find it there or below this video. Thank you. So now get your pot, turn on your cooker, pour the vegetable oil into the pot, add some sliced onion just to flavor the oil. This is my roughly blended tomato, onion, and paprika. You can see it is not watery. I will be frying it just for about 10 minutes. Check this description box for the written recipe as well. Thank you guys. So after frying for 10 minutes, I'll be adding curry into it now, black pepper, coriander powder or coriander leaves, garlic powder, seasoning cube, and salt. Guys, you can add any other seasoning you are used to. Okay, thank you. Now fry for just 2 minutes, just for them to be together. And now I added some chopped garlic into it as well. So tra-la-la, this is my air fryer chicken I'll be using. Like I've said, you can use your chicken, you can use beef, you can use fish as well. Just add it now at the stage into the sauce. It's now time to add your sliced onion, sliced orange or is it yellow bell pepper. Add it as well. Sliced green bell pepper, and as well the red one, the red bell pepper sliced. Add it into it as well. To make it spicy, I'll be using Scotch bonnet pepper at a rodo. You can use chili, it depends on how spicy you want it, and some green onions as well. I'll be using it as well. So now it has been added into it. Now you have to stir, but please gently stir together. In case you're using fried fish or air fried fish or beef or chicken, like I'm using chicken wings now, just mix everything together gently. Even you can use boiled eggs, you will also love it. Try this recipe, make your food super yummy looking. You will thank me later, and the taste, oh, it's super. Now cover and cook for 5 minutes. After that, wow, it is ready. You can serve this with white rice, with jollof rice, with spaghetti, or you eat it just like this. Guys, I'm rocking my with jollof rice. Can you see how yummy looking it is? Try this and thank me later. Thank you for watching. God bless you richly. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Remember to subscribe, turn on your notification as well. See you next time. Bye bye.